Straight to the point. Okay. The name of my company is Redemption Finance Solutions. We're dealing with one of the most critical issues in our societies right now. We do financial coaching and debt counseling. Currently, the statistics says about 75% of all South Africans are not happy with their financial situations. So what we do, we take a client, we look at your financial situation, we throw a budget for you, how many creditors you owe, we work out an installment that you're going to afford for all your debts. But most importantly, when we do financial wellness, we say whatever amount you have, you must be able to secure your future. So we are currently working here from Hub Space, trying to touch the black community in particular, because this is where the trouble is at the moment. Somebody said that debt is the modern day slavery. So we're trying to help our people get out of that slavery. As I said, 75% of the population, it's a very serious issue. I was saying to this other guy there that it reminds me of the time when we first heard about HIV and AIDS, that this is the issue that we are currently dealing with right now. Financial wellness and financial coaching, from corporate to personal. That's 2 minutes.